slight change of plans. Phil and I were meant to be going to Hawaii together today. Unfortunately, only one of us is going to Hawaii today, and it's not Phil. Phil is off to Brisbane, and I am off to Hawaii. Phil had a very big gig come in, and so it means that Phil is coming to Hawaii 9 days after me. 9 days. All this work came in for Phil, and he just had to stay, and he had to do it. It's the price you pay when you run your own business, right?
That's right, and you have to be agile and be able to adapt and be flexible, but this time it was a little bit...
it's a bit of a bummer.
It was a bit of a bummer because we changed our plans at Christmas. We didn't do our usual thing.
Yeah, usually we go to Hawaii for Christmas, but we didn't because so much work came in, and then we were also renovating the cottage. It's okay, Phil will be over there in 9 days time. Yeah. It's meant to be a holiday, but because all this work has also come in for Flourish, which is an awesome, great thing, I'm totally not complaining. And also because we are getting prepared to launch for Marco & Co, just the way the whole timing kind of came about, I'll be working about 5 hours a day whilst I'm in Hawaii. So it's kind of like a working holiday. Let's call it that, a working holiday.
But when I get over there, we will have some really quality time.
Yeah, it'll be lovely to get over there and feel the Aloha spirit. So I've been in Hawaii for the last 8 days. It's so gorgeous. I'm sitting at the bottom of our apartment waiting for Phil because he is in a car on his way from the airport to our apartment here in Hawaii. I know it's only 8 days apart, but oh man, I really missed him this time. So I'm super excited to see him. I'm so excited to show him the apartment in Hawaii. He hasn't even seen it yet, which is crazy. I saw it last October when I was here for work, so I can't wait for him to see it. I mean, he's seen photos and he knows that it's amazing. I just got this text from Phil saying that he's waiting for his transport and he's on his way. He's on the freeway. Oh, I'm so excited. And it looks like he's had a haircut as well. I can't wait to see him. How are you feeling after your, what, 11-hour flight and a 3-hour delay?
Yeah, I feel pretty good.
Yeah?
Had a good sleep, yeah.
Huh? Cool. What do you think of the view, Phil?
Just spectacular. Incredible. Oh man.
It's not bad, huh?
Not bad. It's not bad at all.
Phil, I got you some of your favourite snacks. Your favourite things.
You're my favourite.
Does it feel good to be in Hawaii?
It feels unreal.
Look at our view from our bedroom. Just gonna do a few emails while Phil has a shower and kind of unpacks. Showing Phil around and he's freaking out because it's pretty awesome. Check out the private theatre that all residents here can use. It doesn't cost you anything, you just have to book it. Massive grand piano and then your private cinema. The other really cool thing is that if you want to have a party or people over and you don't want to use your own apartment, you can just book out this amazing space. So full kitchen if you want to get special chefs in and you know, have a beautiful dinner with all your friends. It's cool, huh?
Right.
Library in here, but it's currently being used. So I'll have to show you that later, but it's a great space to have meetings. I'm going to show you the gym and the pool area and the barbecue areas. So in here we have a yoga studio, which is pretty cool. So I came in here the other day and did some yoga. Maybe tomorrow I'll come in and do some yoga with me. So the active room is a private gym that you can use. So if you have like personal training sessions, you can just come in here and use this one if you don't want to use the larger gym. And then we have the big gym over here. And then you've got bathrooms and stuff down here, so you've got like steam and saunas in there as well. And then the best bit,
youth goes where it always goes, and we were both led by life to roam. Two paths led in parallel before winding up into the unknown. Yes,
feels very excited because there is a Whole Foods literally across the road, and we're just going for a little stroll around the block just so Phil can get his bearings. Palm trees everywhere. This little place called Lynn's Hawaiian Snacks, and I thought Phil would like it because it might remind him of his childhood.
Oh, totally. Leading Mui. All of this stuff.
What is this stuff?
They're kind of preserved pickled plums.
And it's a Hawaiian thing?
Yeah, it's a real Hawaiian.
Did you have these when you were a kid?
Very Hawaiian stuff.
Happy?
Yeah. Now this is a Whole Foods.
Beating the jet lag, one coffee at a time.
Exactly. I'm in heaven.
You love Whole Foods, don't you?
Love Whole Foods.
And I was just saying to Phil, like I was walking around here and doing my thing, and I was seeing all these amazing shops and things that I know that Phil would love, but I kind of, I couldn't really enjoy it to its full potential because I didn't have someone to share it with. And so now Phil is here. I'm very happy. Drink water, stay hydrated. So we've made it to the pool and we're going to chill out in the sun this afternoon. Phil wouldn't let me bring my phone or my laptop, so I'm forced to relax and chill out, which is great. The one thing that I was allowed to bring though, I got a Kindle. I'm trying to read more books, and I'm trying to read less business orientated books and less self-help books. Even though they're really good, but just for this particular week I really think I need to switch off and just kind of have some downtime, so that's what we're going to try to do.
yes.